In this video, we're going to show you how you can make up to $30 per hour typing from the comfort of your home. Are you looking to make more money online doing something you already do every day? What if we told you that you could make up to $30 per hour for simply typing? We know this sounds too simple, but there are literally hundreds of websites willing to pay you hundreds of dollars daily for doing these types of jobs. No special skills are required. You don't have to deal with a boss yelling your name. And the best part is, you can do this job while wearing your pajamas. So grab your cup of coffee, crack your knuckles, and get ready to laugh all the way to the bank. Please note that most of these websites require that you have a verified PayPal account to receive payment. Number 1. Scribie. First on our list is a platform called Scribie. Scribie is a popular transcription platform that allows you to work as a freelance transcriber, reviewer, proofreader, or quality control specialist. But for this video, we will talk about how to make some extra money online from the comfort of your home by just typing as a transcriber. As a freelance transcriber, you can make anywhere from $5 to $20 per audio hour on Scribie. To register, go to scribie.com/transcription/freelance. Click on Get Started to create an account. But note that you must pass a transcription test before you are allowed to work on the platform. Another good part about Scribie is that they hire transcribers from all over the world, as long as you have a verified PayPal account, because that's what you are going to use to receive payments. Number 2. Daily Transcription is a US-based company that specializes in entertainment, corporate, legal, and academic transcription. But unlike most transcription companies where you work so much and earn little, Daily Transcription takes pride in paying more than its competitors. You also get the chance to work with big brands such as Google, Netflix, Disney, ExxonMobil, and Red Bull. According to the website, transcribers can earn between $350 and $950 per week or higher, depending on the experience level. Unfortunately, you must reside within the United States or Canada to apply as a transcriptionist on this platform. However, the next platform on our list is available to anyone. Number 3. GoTranscript. GoTranscript is one of the world's largest online transcription and translation agencies. It has been around since 2005 and served over 20,000 customers. At GoTranscript, you can earn up to 60 cents per minute of audio and video. While you're not going to make bank doing this, it is a little reward for doing something you already do every day. On average, transcriptionists can earn about $150 or up to $1,215 monthly, depending on their dedication. GoTranscript offers transcription services in more than 20 languages. So, if you are a polyglot, this is an opportunity to earn more money. Go to gotranscript.com and click Join Us as a Transcriber. Sign up and get paid every week to your PayPal or Payoneer account. Number 4. TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe is another popular transcription platform for beginners as well as experts who want to earn anywhere from $15 to $70 per audio hour. Typically, you will be transcribing very short clips consisting of 2 to 4 minutes. When one clip is complete, the next one loads automatically. So basically, you can work on as many such short clips as you want until you are tired. Head over to transcribeme.com. Click on the freelance login on the top right corner and sign up for free on the next page. The only payment method accepted on TranscribeMe is PayPal. Number 5. Rev. Rev is another excellent option for anyone considering making some quick cash online. This platform started in 2010 and has provided transcription services to about 750,000 clients, including CBS and Viacom. The best part is that Rev is flexible. You can work as much or as little as you'd like. Of course, how much work you put in will determine how much money you make. However, Rev only accepts freelancers from a limited number of countries, which are Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and the United States. If you are in any of these countries, all you need to do is visit rev.com/freelancers. Click on the button that says Sign up to be a Rev freelancer. You will be required to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills by taking a quick quiz. Once you're done, you can start applying for jobs and earn between $1.5 to $3 per audio minute. You will receive payment weekly via PayPal. Number 6. SpeakWrite. Established in 1997, SpeakWrite is one of the oldest transcription platforms on this list. The fact that this company has been operating for more than 2 decades gives you an idea that they are legit. However, the only limitation of this platform is that it is only available to residents of Canada or the US, except applicants residing in California. You are also required to have at least 1 year of transcription or word processing experience in an office environment with a minimum typing speed of 60 words per minute. Please note that this is a remote job and not a freelance transcription gig. But this video is about typing jobs you can do while wearing your pajamas, so that's why we included it. Their pay rate is about $450 per month, going up to $3,500 for top transcriptionists. To apply for a position at SpeakWrite, kindly visit their website at speakwrite.com/transcription-jobs. Number 7. TigerFish. Just like SpeakWrite, TigerFish is one of the oldest transcription platforms on the list and in the world. It was established in 1989, and it has since remained one of the world's most reliable transcribing companies. TigerFish has a strict requirement for transcribers. Some of their clients include American Express, KPMG, AT&T, and NASA, just to name a few. But first, you must be a US citizen or a legal resident to be considered. The hiring process is quite different from every other platform on this list. You must apply by sending an email to the official email address of TigerFish at inbox@tigerfish.com. Successful candidates will be contacted directly, and you can expect to earn between $7 to $15 per audio hour. Number 8. Casting Words. Next on our list, we have Casting Words. This is a platform that prides itself on offering highly accurate transcription services. It was established in 2005 and has since delivered over 200,000 transcripts to 10,000 customers. The best part is that Casting Words claims to only hire freelance writers. So, if you are looking for a place to earn quick money without long-term commitment, this is the right platform for you. The only requirement to work for Casting Words is that you must be at least 18 years old. You can work from any country as long as you can receive payments with PayPal. If you have your PayPal account ready, go to workshop.castingwords.com. Click on Register or Log in now. Provide your name and email address and create a new password to continue. Please note that you may be required to pass an English language test before you are allowed to start applying for jobs. Freelance transcriptionists at Casting Words earn from 85 cents to about $1.20 per audio minute. Number 9. Crowdsurf. Crowdsurf is a reliable platform that allows you to make extra cash from home by working as a freelance transcriber. According to the website, they are always hiring new transcribers, which means there will always be more than enough work for you to do. However, the work is flexible, so you work at your own pace. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a computer. Crowdsurf partners with WorkMarket, an automated data processing company, to hire and pay all Crowdsurf freelancers. Head over to crowdsurf.com and click on We Want to Work with You. Scroll to the end of the page and click on Get Started USA/Canada. You will be redirected to the WorkMarket platform, where you can complete your registration. Make sure you read the Terms of Use agreement before you proceed. Once you're in, you can use the work market platform to search for new jobs, complete them, and watch the moolah roll in. After making a threshold of $50, you can request payment through PayPal or Payoneer. Transcribing is one of the easiest ways to earn money online. It requires minimal time and doesn't require any special skills. So grab your device and register on any of the platforms listed in this video to turn your pastime into a money-making venture. If you want to learn more about how you can make money online and become financially free, subscribe to this channel for more life-changing content.